Here we have an ordinary cup. Ordinary until I duplicate it. And I duplicate it again. And every time I duplicate it, it randomly selects a new, different color. How do I do this, you ask? Well, I will show you. You can see here my node setup is this, but we're just going to delete it because I'm going to make it over again. I'm going to add in a color ramp first, and I'm going to plug it into the base color. I'm immediately going to switch here from linear to constant, and I'm going to drag the white value here to 0.5 so it's in the middle. And then I am going to change the black here into a bright red, and I'm going to change the white to a deep blue. Alright, at this point you can add in as many colors as you want. Just keep pressing the little plus button and that'll add in more, and you can change them to any color you want. Just try and choose a wide range of colors. And on this note, try and make sure that the colors are all spaced out evenly because it will make them more evenly distributed later. Now add in an object info node and plug the random here into the factor. You already see that it's changed color, and if we press Alt D to duplicate, you'll see that it's randomizing each time you change. However, you'll notice that a few of these are like coming back a little bit more than they should. Like there's way too many of the light blue color here or of the orange. So I'm going to actually go through now and I'm going to change up a few of these colors because I think it's a little too much. So I realized looking back that I made 2 of the light blue, so I'm going to change this one to a purple, and already that fixes it a little bit. And this orange is too close to red, so I'm going to change it to a kind of cyan. Anyways, that's a real quick way to make a color randomizer. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.